Problem 38 states, given the following code segment, the code does not compile and gives the following compiler error. Select the best explanation as to why this code does not compile. So the code is a function that calls a standard set by reference. It iterates through using a smart vector to print out the integers in the standard set. And the compiler error says binding const int to reference of type int ampersand discards qualifiers. The reason why this is a compiler error is because a standard set is based on a binary search tree, which means that we have to have the order fixed and sorted. If we call by reference, we can actually change the val, but we don't want that with a binary search tree. The container for standard set is the only way in which you can remove elements. So therefore, if you were going to do this, the C++ compiler insists that you do const int ampersand. That's why it says binding const int to reference of type int ampersand discards qualifiers. The qualifier is that we have to maintain an order, and therefore we must use const. So let's take a look at our potential solutions. We know that standard set is a binary search tree. The values must remain in order, so the C++ compiler forces you to describe the value as const in an iterator. That is correct. The answer is A, but let's take a look at why B, C, and D are wrong. Since it's in the standard template library, the C++ compiler forces you to describe the value as const. This is not true. We can do this in most containers, but because standard set is a binary search tree, it has to be kept in order. Since the standard set is in the C++ standard template library, you are forbidden to call an element in a standard STL container by reference. That is also not accurate. And D, since the standard set is a binary search tree, you are forbidden to call an element in a tree by reference. That is also not true. Therefore, the answer is A.